know that
pakinggan
this
ninyo.
fight is not
Bulgara
gonna
na dis.
happen. Nobody talk to him na, oh, amenable ka ba sa date? Amenable ka ba sa ganyan? So I think kung magkakaroon ng fraud
Ito,
case
mahalagang issue
dito,
to.
lalong-lalo na nagkaroon ng bentahan ng 300,000 pesos na
Ayun.
ticket. This is a ticketed event. They are expecting to see Mayor Baste and Torre to fight. And this is the bigger problem. John Vic
Na.
Remulla is present in
Yun,
that
si John
event.
Vic.
Ang ina mo, dapat makasuhan
Alam
ka.
mo pala
You
to, John
attended
Vic,
the show knowing na inapprove mo yung travel authority ni Mayor
Naku,
Baste.
siya po mismo
So,
nag-approve.
ikaw, hindi ka nagsalita dito na, ay hindi, may travel authority siya, pinirmahan ko yung travel
Naku.
authority niya hanggang 27. You know that this is a ticketed event. You
Grabe
know
talaga.
that the people who went there
Mga
bought
mukhang
ticket
pira.
for 100
Grabe
pesos to watch the event. So what does that mean? Fraud! You know si Mayor Baste, yung kanyang travel authority, and of course, it is signed by John Vic Remulla. Yan yung sinasabi ko
Naku.
sa inyo eh, nung
John
isang
Vic.
araw, na ang travel authority, matagal yung pinaprocess.
Dapat
Gumastos pa
makasuhan
kayo ng
talaga to.
pangrenta sa Rizal Memorial Stadium, pati yung mga pulis. Pinilit nyo pa na manood
Pati mga
ng
pulis,
fight na yan para sa
Naku.
operation ninyo, para lang pagmukain
Daming
ninyo na
issue.
duwag si Baste. 'Di ba? Para lang
Tama.
tirahin ang Duterte. Somebody please sue Games and Amusement Board. Those people who signed this resolution. Sue them. Sue them all, please. Sobrang
Naku,
grabe na to.
John Vic.